Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to enable microphone in Messenger PC or laptop. We will start by opening our Messenger. There, we are going to click on Start a Voice Call. As you can see, we do not have the necessary permissions for its use. To fix this, click on View Site Information and there click on Site Settings. You can activate the microphone switch if you wish. Now in the microphone line, set the Allow option. When you are in Messenger, you can click Reload to apply the changes. Click on Start a Voice Call and now you will see that it is possible to use this option without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.